Welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a Berbere spiced plantain. Berbere is an Ethiopian spice mix. It's a combination of fenugreek, cinnamon, paprika, coriander, ginger. It's very warming, hearty spices. It's a great accompaniment, and it's used in a lot of Ethiopian food. But today I'm going to use it on one of my favorite foods, plantain, and we're going to grill it. Ingredients wise, I got the Berbere spice mix. I've got my favorite Celtic sea salt, and I've got a little bit of cinnamon powder. I'm just going to sprinkle on top after we've cooked it. I've got avocado oil, so we're just going to do a nice base of avocado oil on the plantain, and then we're going to grill it. First things first, we're going to top and tail our plantain. Let's get rid of the off end bits. Use the back of your thumb, run it down the plantain, and all you got to do, roll. Peel, roll. And it will just literally fall out the skin. Right, and all you're going to do now, slice your plantain lengthways. You don't want them too thick or too thin. Like so. Right, 4 slices is good. Put that to one side. And all we're going to do, get your avocado oil, just sprinkle it. Turn it over, do the same thing again. That's all you need. And then we're going to go in, I'm going to salt it first. Again, you're going to go in on the back side as well. And here's our Berbere. Be generous with this because it is really nice. Trust me, you will love it, I guarantee. And this is just another way of cooking plantain. You know, in our community, how I was raised, this was a staple in our home. We'd fry it. Now, what I'm trying to do is get us away from frying everything. It's just a different way of cooking our food, an alternative method. It's a lot healthier. So now we've got that nicely coated. Let's give it a good swirl around. Good marination. All right, and all we're gonna do now is grill it. So we're gonna set our grill to 180. So we've got our pan. We're gonna get it nice and hot just to start off the grilling process. So you wanna hit a nice sizzle. Get them in, line them up evenly. Minimum oil. We don't need to deep fry everything, you know what I mean? Now we're going to pop this into the oven for 3 minutes on 180. Oh, time to take our spiced plantain out. And now I'm just going to plate up. This looks so good. So good. And I'm all about textures, and we're just going to finish it off. A little bit of cinnamon and chopped parsley. And here we have our Berbere spiced plantain with a cinnamon top. You can have this as an accompaniment to fish or chicken, or have it on its own as a lovely vegan tapas. Voila.